Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your video upload progress on Google Drive. Yeah, it's really simple once you know where to look. And this is especially useful if you're uploading product videos, tutorials, or marketing content for your Shopify store. So let's dive right in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account where you're uploading the video, especially if you manage multiple accounts for personal use and business purposes. Using the right account ensures your videos end up in the correct Drive folder and are easily accessible to your team. Next, click the New button on the top left corner. Select File Upload and pick the video you want to upload. Drive will start uploading immediately and a little progress indicator will appear. This is helpful for tracking large files like high-resolution product demos, which can take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once your video starts uploading, you'll see a small status box in the bottom right corner of your screen. It shows a progress bar with a percentage and the remaining time. You can hover over it to see more details, like upload speed or file size. This can help you estimate how long the upload will take, especially if you're uploading multiple files at once. Also, if you go to My Drive, you'll notice the video icon appears with a small upload symbol. Yeah, you can click on it to see the upload status in more detail, and it updates in real time. This is great if you want to make sure your videos are successfully uploaded before sharing them with your team or embedding them in your Shopify store. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can keep track of your video uploads on Google Drive. It's super handy to know exactly when your file finishes uploading, so you can move on to organizing your folders, sharing links, or embedding your videos without delays. Don't forget to like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more tips like this. By staying organized and monitoring your uploads, you can save time and avoid errors when managing your Shopify store content.